Hey guys, what's going on? It's Eric from Yoka Her Skateboards. And as you can see, we're at our top secret training facility once again. Just kidding. It's Chino Hill Skate Park where we like to come. It's a nice day, a couple scattered clouds. You're probably saying, we don't want the weather. We want to know what video you're making. So we're going to get into that. So today we're going back to trick tips, and we actually got a request to do a varial. I don't think we've ever covered the varial. We've done similar ones like kick flip, 360 flip, shove its. So this one's going to combine two tricks to make the varial. So the varial essentially is a shove it and a kick flip at once. So you're going to be doing the shove it and the kick flip. So it's going to look pretty similar to that. So, but it'll land, and we'll break it down and I will show you step by step how to do that. So in this next little chapter, we're going to go over the basics of what you're going to want to know to formulate the whole trick. So we're going to break it down. We'll do a couple of them, and yeah, we'll have some fun. So I'll see you in the next clip. All right, so the varial. We're going to combine the ollie, the shove it, and the kick flip. So first, you want to get the ollie down. We do have videos about doing ollies. We've broken that one down. I think we've done a couple videos on that. So if you don't have the ollie down, I would suggest you get that trick down before attempting this one, because it's not, you can't do it without the ollie like many flip tricks or many tricks on a skateboard. It starts with the base of the ollie. So you're gonna need the ollie down. So just get the ollie down. Next, the shove. The pop shove it, because you're going to want to get a little bit more pop on it because the board's going to have to rotate under you. So we're going to do that right here and just kind of show you a little demo. You're going to need something like that. And then the last part, you're going to want the kick flip. So kick flip, we've broken that one down many times. And let's see if I can get one first try. First try today, flipping the board. So let's see. A little sketchy, but we made it. The legs are still warming up, but so those are the tricks. So we got ollie, we got the shove, and the kick flip. We're gonna put them all together, and it'll make the varial. So next clip, I'm gonna do the varial, and then after that, we'll break down the steps that I go through to complete the trick. Dude, you got that one. There you go. All right, so it was a little bit of a battle. I haven't done a varial in a very long time. Was able to get a couple, so let's go over the foot placement. So the foot placement for me on the varial, your back foot is going to be in the ollie position, kind of right about kind of the last quarter of your tail. You want to have your back foot over, and a kickflip position for me, what I feel comfortable is right under the where the bolts start on the front of your board on the nose. But for the varial, I like to kind of tweak, kind of angle my toe. So if you come over here, you see I'm kind of angled. So I'm diagonal from this front bolt. And as I pop, I'm gonna give a little flick. You can see the shoe mark right there. That's where I'm flicking. And I'm not gonna flick straight out. I'm gonna flick kind of this direction. So almost like right at this pocket. And as I do that, my back foot, when I ollie, I'm gonna push back a little like that. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna create the varial right there. So you can kind of see again. So this is like the foot placement for me, right in the back, kind of right there. I'm gonna go up, flick right there. So I'm gonna give it a little kick, and then my back foot is gonna go like that, kind of like almost behind you. So I'll form it right here so you can kind of see. So kind of something like that. So that's gonna give the shove as well as the flick. So if you're not comfortable at maybe committing on it, I would say try it rolling into like grass and just kind of just doing that, or just getting kind of the mechanics of it, knowing you're not gonna commit on it, but just getting comfortable getting the formation of the trick, just flat ground, just kind of, whoops, gonna have to flick out a little more. But that's how I kind of started it. When I learned this trick, just it's kind of a basic trick because you're mixing two basic tricks together, but it's still kind of an advanced trick because there's a couple different variables. You have the board flipping and spinning. For me, it's a little tougher because I like to do 360 flips where the board's gonna do that, but go all the way 360 degrees underneath you. So my brain wants to do the 360 flip. There's a funny clip. I actually fell on one of the first attempts because I want to do the 360 flip, but I know I was trying the varial. So it's like I had to cut the trick that I usually like to do in half to get that varial. So that's pretty much the varial. You can do it flat ground, obviously. You can do it, I've seen people do it on quarter pipes to fakie. I've never done that myself. You can do it on pyramids. Yeah, it's just a really cool trick. I used to use the trick when I'd play skate with my friends. We can make a video about how to play skate. It's kind of a cool game, almost like horse in basketball, where say I take a shot from this area, I make it, you have to make it, or you get a letter. And we can break that down in a future video if you guys want to see that. But yeah, that is the variable. I was almost going to call it the variable. That is the varial, which has a couple different variables in it. So it's going to be that shove it and the kick flip. So if this video helped you guys out at all, please send us a clip of you landing a varial, or you attempting it, or just trying your best at it, and we'll take a look at it and we'll repost it on our page. So we're gonna skate a little bit and we'll see you in a second. All right, guys, there you have it. That's the varial. Fun trick. If I, was a lot better at it, I would try it down these stairs. But as you guys know, getting a little older, so I don't jump down too much, but I do my best to push the limits for you guys for your entertainment and educational purposes, I'd say, to learn these tricks. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So I'd just like to thank you guys so much for the continued support. We have a lot of videos rolling out that I think you guys will like. So go ahead and stay subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that button. That's going to keep you in the loop on all of our giveaways, our new video drops, as well as visit our website. Visit the Yoka-Her website for all products. We're dropping new products all the time. It's hard for me to even keep up. I'm still riding my Yoka-Her board right here. This is a part of kind of the traditional tattoos. This is the Flaming Tiger one, I believe. Love this graphic, pretty cool. Got a lot of other stuff on the website. And follow us on our Instagram page. If you ever have any questions, you can leave a comment on the video. You can leave a comment on any of our Instagram posts, or you can send the questions directly to us and we'll help you figure out whatever you need to know to our best knowledge. So yeah, we're gonna skate some more and work on a couple other things. So we'll see you in the next one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.